The Tree of Life department at the Sanger Institute aims at sequencing all life on Earth. We used to produce 3 genomes in about 10 years. Using sequencing technology, we are currently producing a genome every 7 hours. Our biggest project within the Tree of Life department is the so-called Darwin Tree of Life project, where we set out to sequence all 70,000 species in Britain and Ireland. What we're doing is discovering the fundamental building blocks of what makes a certain species that species. Conservation projects really rely on having a reference genome available from that species. We can support what really is important in ecosystems and how to best preserve them. And we can take a lot of advantages for this for all sorts of fields like agriculture, fisheries, biomedicine. Our laboratory works really hard to extract the DNA. We then need to involve complicated computational processes in order to put all the pieces together.
Our scientists are always pushing the boundary of what is actually possible. The speed at which we can generate data is increasing dramatically. And that means we need more memory, we need faster processors, we need more computing power. Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA allows us to scale as we continue to develop our platforms. We've invested in Dell PowerEdge XE series servers. Having the local on-prem system means we can more quickly assess opportunities within the data sets. There's a whole new faculty program called Generative Genomics, where you may actually come up with the next development opportunities for drug research. Dell Technologies have been a fantastic partner with Sanger for some years, as have NVIDIA. So bringing these partnerships together with systems integrators like Boxy help accelerate the science and deliver societal benefit that much more quickly.
We really hope to be vital contributors to really changing the field of genomics. These are the blueprints for life that we are decoding here, and they will make all sorts of things possible that we currently can't even think of.